is Sheila. Welcome back to my channel, Face and Fashions. On my channel, I do unboxings of clothing and makeup and lifestyle and jewelry and all those kind of things. So if you like unboxing videos, definitely hit on that subscribe button. I would love to have you join me. And of course, to all my returning subscribers, as always, thank you and welcome back. Now for today's video, guys, I've already unboxed it and I got everything ready to go. And this is my Nadine West for the month of March. And for those of you who don't know what Nadine West is a clothing subscription service. You can get it sent to you every 2 weeks or once a month. I choose the once a month. It costs $9.78. Anything you get in your box, your $9.78 gets subtracted off the total. So let's go ahead and let's get straight into the box. I have a lot of accessories in this bag this month. So we're going to get straight into the accessories and then we'll finish up with the clothing. Now, like I said, we have a lot of accessories in this box, and this is the first one, and this is a necklace, and this is called a Finley silver necklace, and she's wanting $40.49 for this simple silver chain. I can tell you, this is going to be a big no for me. There's no way I'm going to spend $40 on this. I like it. I think it's pretty, but $40 worth of pretty? I don't think so. And then the next item out is this. This is a cotton mask. I have tons of masks, so I definitely won't be keeping this, but I thought I'd show it to you anyway. And this is $14.39. Now you can see it has a paisley print on it. It's adult size, one piece. Yeah, $14.39. We can all get masks a lot cheaper out there, and we all know that's true. So this is really like, she's really going up on her prices here. That's too expensive. This is too expensive. Also, she has a pair of earrings. I'll show those to you real cute. They're cute. I like them, and I love that style. But I can tell you I'm not going to keep these because these are heavy. And no, I don't do heavy earrings anymore. And these are $15.29. Now this is probably the best priced item in the box, but if I took my $9.78 off of it, I'd only be paying $6, which is what they're worth. But they're just too heavy. I couldn't wear them, so I would have to give them away maybe to somebody. So these are a no for me too. And I tell you, she really loaded me down with accessories this month. Now here's the next item. Let me hold it up to the camera for you. This is the, they're calling it the Cliana silver bracelet, and this is $17.27. Now it's just your simple cuff bracelet, easy on, easy off. It's okay. I don't know. It depends on what the clothes look like. If I keep this, I mean, that's not bad. And I always like a bracelet, but it's not a love. Okay, I have one more accessory, and this is a scarf. And I'm just going to put it right here, and then I'll put it on for you in a minute. This is called the Laureen scarf in the color green for $17.99. Now, I'm not going to buy this. I don't need any scarves right now, but I do have to give her a little bit of credit on this. This is a very lovely springtime scarf. As you can see down here at the bottom, it has these lovely flower design. It's a very lightweight, nice spring scarf. Let me see if I can get this on here and show you guys. It's lovely, but it's just not me. Yeah, $17.99, $18. I have tons of scarves, and this is just not special enough for me. So now with all that said, I have a maxi dress she sent me, 2 shirts, and a pair of jeggings. So, okay, I am back, like I said, with the jeggings, and these are blue jean jeggings, and she is charging $29.69. Yeah, that's kind of high for jeggings. I know I could go to Walmart and get the same quality of jeggings for probably half the price. So that's, for that reason alone, this is going to be a no-go for me. But I do like them. I think they fit well. They're very stretchy, a good dark jegging. There's nothing here. They're nice and plain, so when you wear tunics with it, it covers down nicely. You don't have any bulkiness, but you do have to wear a tunic with these kind of jeggings. They're lovely, but no, I'm not paying $30 for a pair of jeggings when I know I can go to Walmart and get it for half price. And speaking of Walmart, here is one of my favorite Walmart tunics. This is my last purchase. I think I got this tunic now in every single color. That's right, I love this tunic so much. I will leave the link down below if you're interested in getting this tunic. This tunic is great. It's so soft, it washes well, it doesn't shrink. They got beautiful colors. Yeah, so I'm recommending this tunic if you're looking for a tunic, if this is your style. Okay guys, so here is the first top out of the box, and this is from Hippie Chick for $23.69. Now, there are aspects of this shirt I like. First off, the price is not so bad considering some of the other prices, $23. So I would end up paying like $13 if I end up keeping this. I like the neckline. I like that it's nice and open, and it does do very well to show off jewelry, necklaces and stuff like that. And I do have larger arms than most people, and so I do have that trouble, especially with short sleeve tops like this, cutting into my arms, but this shirt does not do that. So I really do appreciate that about it. The thing that's kind of confusing me about this top though, is it has this ruching that goes up the side, which helps hide, you know, any lumps and bumps and rolls. So that's good. But do you guys think that's a maternity top look? Because in my head, back in my day, if we had this, this was a maternity top. So I don't know about that, guys. And the second top that she sent me also has the ruching on the side. So on one hand, it kind of helps hide lumps and bumps, but on the other hand, do you want to walk around and people think you're wearing a maternity top? I don't know. Let me know in the comment section, because that's what I think. So I don't know. Guys, so here is the second ruching top that she sent me. So what do you guys think? This one is $27.69. Once again, it's comfortable, nice open neckline, goes great to show off necklaces. The arms are rolled tab sleeves right here. They do not unbutton, so that's a fixed piece right there, but it does very well to show off bracelets, necklace. So I like a lot of things about this shirt, but it's this ruching. For some reason, it just reminds me of a maternity look. So I'm pretty much, I still want to know your opinions, but I'm pretty sure I'm sending both of these tops back. They're just a no-go. So far, there's nothing I think I'm keeping out of this box. Okay, guys, so here is the maxi dress, the last item out of the box. And the maxi dress is $39.69. That's the bad news, because I don't like the price. But the good news is I like the dress. I do like this dress. I could see me wearing this dress. It has two pockets right here. It goes great with some summertime slides. I would throw a crossbody bag with this, hit the flea markets, go shopping. It's very lightweight, it's very comfortable. It's a t-shirt material, so that makes it super comfortable. It hits me at the perfect length. I don't have to wear heels, I don't have to wear wedges. I could wear just flats like I have on, some flip-flops. So it's a very nice, comfy, casual, summertime dress. But $40, yeah. And another thing, guys, is I just bought this out of my last Nadine West bag. So she's getting the memo that I like maxi dresses. So the only thing is, I wish I would have received this maxi dress before this one, because I like this one better than this one, but I already purchased this one. So because of the price, I think I'm just going to send it back, even though I like it and I feel like I would get a lot of wear out of it. But I think it's just overcharging me. And since I already have a nice casual maxi dress that I can wear to flea markets and stuff like that, and it's the perfect length, I think I'm going to send this one back, as much as that hurts, because I do like it besides that. So I don't know, guys. This bag wasn't the best bag I ever got from Nadine West. I'm thinking I'm probably going to lose my styling fee, because I'm really not loving anything in this box, Well, besides the Maxi Dress, but I don't like the price, and I'm not, with that, take the $9.78 styling fee off, I'd still end up paying $30, and I don't think it's worth $30. The necklace, I think everything's just too high priced. So, unfortunately, I'm probably going to eat the styling fee on this one. But what were your opinions? What were your favorites? And do you think those tops are maternity-like? If you saw someone wearing those, would you think that's a maternity top? Just curious. Okay, so I hope you guys have a lovely day. And I have some more style boxes coming up, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit that little bell, because every time I upload a video, you will be notified right away. Okay, guys, so I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye.
Fun. Yeah.